Hi guys, this is lesson 6-2. I can find pairs of fractions that add to 1. So in this question, we have a circle. It is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. So 8 would be my denominator. Remember, the denominator is the number on the bottom. One way to remember this is D for denominator, and our numerator is on top. The D kind of looks like a chair. And so the numerator is sitting on top of the denominator. I don't know if that'll help you, but it helps me to remember. So I know that my denominator is 8. Now I'm going to name the fraction that is shaded. So my denominator is 8, but I have 1, 2, 3 parts that are shaded. So 3/8 is my fraction. I'm going to erase these numbers. Okay, now I need to write a fraction or name a fraction for my unshaded. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts out of 8, or 5/8, are unshaded. My equation is like a number sentence. So I'm going to write my two fractions that add up to 1 whole. I know 3/8 are shaded plus 5/8 are unshaded. If I add those together, 3 plus 5 is 8, and I keep my denominator the same because these are all 8s. Each one is 1/8, and we are literally counting how many 8s make up our whole. That's why if I have 8/8, I actually have 1 whole. But anyway, our equation is going to be 3/8 plus 5/8. Okay, now I'm going to fill in the missing number or fraction. So I know 1 whole equals 6/6, which is the same as 5/6 plus some number. So I can draw a circle, and I'm going to split it into 6 equal parts because that is my denominator. So let me see. Okay. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. And we have 5/6 plus some number. Well, here's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. Well, I only need to shade one more 6th to make 6/6. So my answer would be 1/6. So this side of our equation equals 6/6, and this side is, of course, 6/6. Now that they're equivalent, I've found my answer. All right, let's take a look at a problem. Kim drank 1/3 of a carton of milk. Joan drank 1/4 of a carton of milk. Who drank more milk? Okay, so we have Kim who drank 1/3. This is Kim. And we have Joan who drank 1/4. So I want to know who drank more. So one way to solve this would be to draw 2 bars. So the first one I'm going to break into 3 equal parts to show Kim. And Kim drank 1/3. So I'm just going to shade that in. And Joan drank 1/4. So I'm going to split it into 4 equal parts and shade 1/4. Well, who drank more? Obviously Kim, because 1/3 is going to be greater than 1/4. Another trick when comparing fractions is the fraction with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction if there's a 1 on the top. 1/3 is about 33%. 1/4 is about 25%. So 1/3 would be bigger, which means Kim actually drank more milk. All right, here we go. Today you learned how to add fractions to make one whole.